night I lifted my burned eyes up to the absolute. It was a cold hush, a silence that wore the soldier's face. I sheltered in the half-ruined church. My devotion cracked before I asked. The world was mute until the mortars kissed the walls. They poured the battered stones and then fell quiet, spent and bored. I asked aloud, what meaning in such burning private pain? My face a mapped inferno, one eye slick with recent blows now. The other saw like washed glass, the world a faint and drifting thing. From 10 meters down in rubble rose muffled groans below. I kept my post alone while afternoon dissolved to night. I held my rifle, waited for the infantry assault to come. Drones with whining blades circled the broken nave like flies low. I slipped along the church's side and saw the track lights near. The tracks sang on their rails, a drone whined, then an explosion split the air. I thought myself unlucky, it kept moving onward. I ran on, the armored transport passed without a pause. I ran behind its glare, I stumbled into a rectangular pit cut like a grave beside the road. Saw the transport halt its rear. A single legionary climbed down. I seized his coat and shoved him in. He stared as if at some returned ghost, his face a shuttered doubt. I said, there under the ruins, the church is full, you come with me. He answered nothing, only stunned blankness like a man unmade. Then I pushed him forward, shoulder to shoulder, shut the ramp and rode away. I waited for a sign until I heard an engine thought friend. I slipped along the church's side and saw the track lights near. The tracks sang on their rails, a drone whined, then an explosion split the air. I thought my